I already broke rule number 1.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.
Morning. It's day 2. Started day 2. We got here late last night, and I already broke rule number 1, which is don't arrive after dark. The unit was winterized, so we didn't have any water to the rig. And when I got here, I thought I'd be able to hook up, but it turned out that because everything's freezing, they turned off the water to all of the sites, so we don't have anything. Last night we were really kind of in trouble. So, day 1, yesterday, 1.3 hours, 63.1 just All right. I'm gonna do better today. I can say that's not that great.
I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Straight around.
Yeah, you get ranges from $1.75 to $38.25. But that's for like a 5-axle vehicle.
Oh, okay.
How many axles do we have? 2. Oh, okay. So our maximum for us is $15.
Okay.
Depending on how far we go.
Well, we're gonna probably go the whole way.
Yeah.
In keeping with my tradition of buying magnets wherever I'm at, I'm at a Valero out in the middle of, well, Kansas. So we don't have a license plate. So I was telling Paul that I'm pretty sure we're gonna get pulled over at least once on this trip. We've got Kansas, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and California left to go. How many times and in which state? Definitely California. Okay, Kansas on the refrigerator. First one.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on those strings, unable to bend. I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken.
Oh, maybe just right here. You wanna go wrong?
I would go to the end because then we kind of got a view of the field and stuff. It's up to you. Whatever you want.
Truck say put them down for the all right. Oh, wait.
Picture of the 2 glasses together.
Cheers. Cheers.
Yeah. Where's yours?
I have 30 miles to drive home
do you?
in a minute, so any drinking I do is sitting in my recliner.
Oh, I don't blame you.
Oh, that is really good.
Yeah, this one's good
Like
too.
that.
Which one was mine?
That is a Chisholm Creek.
Oh, I see. Dry white. Yeah.
How long have you been here?
In this location, you've been here since 2021 years here,
Oh, wow.
and then they were open in another location.
Is this like, I've never had mulled wine. Is this like mulled wine?
Mhm.
Okay, yeah.
Kind of like a glue wine or a wassail. I mean, different countries all around the world have it.
He's about ready to try the one that says very hot, not recommended for most to drink. So here he goes.
Oh, I can smell.
Wait, hold on, let me see.
I can smell the spice.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely not. That's definitely not my style. It's all you, dude. Do it.
I don't know if I want to now.
Chug it. No, drink it.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got like just a tiny bit of it, but it's definitely burning my mouth. That's interesting. Yeah, I wouldn't drink a glass of that.
Yeah,
You didn't even take barely a sip,
You sip
let
it.
alone a.
Here, you try it.
No, I don't like these because
Just actually, just do the tiniest bit, and you'll get the temperature, but it won't hurt.
just
do
the tiniest bit,
wet
just like
your-
you
Yeah,
did.
exactly. Just take a little. Because it's all you need, and you can like my throat is still hot, but it doesn't hurt if you just do a tiny bit. I can imagine if you did a swig, you'd
Yeah.
have trouble.
Wow.
Yeah.
This has got more spice because you know how like Kevin gets those jalapeno margaritas and stuff like
Yeah.
that. Those always have a spice.
Yeah.
This is worse.
That's too much. Yeah.
He might like this.
You know the good thing though about this is you can like add this into margaritas and use that as your spice to it. You can also put it in like Bloody Mary, so you can use this as a mixer.
You may be wondering how we were able to stay at a winery. I joined a program called Harvest Host. Harvest Host is a membership program that invites self-contained RVers to have unique overnight stays at wineries, breweries, farms, and many other unique destinations. Wyldewood Cellars in Peck, Kansas was on our way back, so I decided to take advantage of a free overnight stay. We were the only ones there that night, so we had our pick of locations. We set up just to the side of their main entrance, in the fields, surrounded by nothing but countryside, and the Kansas Star Casino just a short walk away, where we ate dinner that evening. We're walking back from the casino. It's cold, dark, and that's Paul. Wyldewood Cellars is a family-owned vineyard and winery celebrating their 25th anniversary this year, featuring up to 4 generations currently working there daily. They have received over 500 international awards for their wines, and their spiced wine was featured at the 2002 Winter Olympic Village. Their specialty is their elderberry concentrate, which is a 100% pure elderberry concentrate with no added sugar, alcohol, or preservatives.
We were just broken shadows.
In the next episodes of Claim the Vision,
It matters. Stray around like nighttime.